If you want to transfer data from iPhone to Motorola Edge 70 Pro, what you can do is on your iPhone, you want to go to the App Store. Then in here where we have the search option, of course, we want to start searching and we need to download an app that is called Android Switch. And this is the app that we're looking for. You want to download this app on your iPhone, and then once you have it, you want to open it. Now on our Motorola Edge 70 Pro, we're gonna go to Settings. Then in Settings, scroll down in here and find Backup or Copy Data. Next, we're gonna choose Copy Data using Android Switch. Here, we want to tap on Start in the bottom right corner and then choose iPhone or iPad. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. Now let's select Next. We need to tap on this Next button, and you can find the instruction that you can connect both devices together using a cable that fits both devices. So this can be USB-C to USB-C if your iPhone has USB-C port. If it has the Lightning port, then of course you want to use another cable. But if you don't have any cable, or if you don't want to use a cable, you can do this wirelessly. So we're gonna tap on Cable Doesn't Fit in the bottom left corner and then choose Copy Without Cable. Now over here on our iPhone, we're gonna tap on Copy Data. You might see a prompt to join the Wi-Fi network immediately, but most of the time it's not correct because here we can see the name of the hotspot, and here we can see the hotspot that has been created, and as you can see, names don't match up. So I'm just gonna cancel, and then we can try again to open the QR code scanner. Or if you already have the QR code scanner, that's of course great. This is what we need, and we're just gonna scan this QR code that we have in here, and then confirm that you want to join the network. And now we need to wait for both devices to establish a connection. Afterwards, you can choose whatever you want to transfer. So we can transfer some of the data. Unfortunately, we cannot transfer everything. Like for example, apps cannot be transferred simply because apps on iOS are built in a slightly different way than on Android, on any Android device. So unfortunately, you will have to get apps separately or individually, manually from the Play Store, for example. Once you choose whatever you want to transfer, just tap on Continue and then wait for everything to be transferred. Now, keep in mind that, of course, the more data you have to transfer, the longer it's going to take to do so, to complete the transfer. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.